just arrived at Perth Airport. It was a good experience, got through nice and quick. Gonna vlog here, there and everywhere, wherever I can, and keep you posted as to how the ride goes, how the flight goes. Okay. Just made it. We are second day into touching down in Christchurch, and finally we've picked up the lucky camper hire vehicle, which we are in now. We booked it for 9 and it wasn't ready until 1 o'clock, so we haven't been all that impressed with their service. They clearly had no to give about it. They were apologetic, I suppose, and they did give us a hire car, but that was no good because we were supposed to be going in transit with friends of ours down to the wedding. We made the most of it and went to these shops called Save Mart, and at Save Mart we got some second-hand clothes with like made of merino wool just to keep us warm, because it's been about 16 degrees here, and us we're used to a bit of luxury back in Perth with the nice warm heat, so yeah, it's going to be a bit chilly for us. Here's Vinny, she's going to say hello.
Hi!
Yay! So yeah, this is the beast in the back there. That's home. And it is super tight, it's very tight. But we'll give you an update soon. Catch up.
Hi again.
Hey there. We've just stopped at a roadside cafe on our way to Hanmer Springs. We are enjoying the local delicacies of
Pies.
tasty pies and a little bit of a caramel slice.
Naughty.
Very, very naughty. Now I'm going to show you around this place real quick. We're the only people in here, so that's half the reason we're doing a little bit of a vlog now. Here we go. How's that? Beautiful place.
There's a girl in the background.
Go on, Vinny, to give us some tasty pie eating action.
It's really yummy. It's like got a white sauce or something for chicken pie. It's roasting hot.
Okay, well we're going to consume and continue on our trip in a bit. Okay.
Ciao.
Bye. New Zealand, we are here. We've started the camping adventure. It's the end of the first day. Unfortunately, we weren't able to vlog much because we were mucked around so much by the camper van people. Lucky hire, not so lucky for us. I mean, lucky in that they actually gave us a hire car in the time that we didn't have a camper van, and I suppose lucky that they gave us a few extra bits and pieces, but it wasn't lucky for our friends who were waiting 2.5, 3 hours for us to actually arrive. So we're here now in Hanmer Springs.
Hot pool thermal area. Found this little spot on the side of the road. Seems to be a camper van convention. You can hear a stream. There's toilets. It's a bit more glamping, really, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, we're pretty lucky. I mean, one thing with this camper van is that it doesn't have any toilets, but it does when they're only there. So it's great. So what I might do maybe here is I'll share the location. But it's literally within Hanmer Springs. It's just about, what, 2 minutes?
It's off on that Jolly Pass Road.
Yeah, Jolly Pass Road, and you can't miss it. It's next to someone's...
It's in the Hanmer Forest.
In the Hanmer Forest, so before the sun goes down we might have a bit of a look around, see what's out there. But first, we've got to get settled. So, catch you in a bit.
Yeah, good luck. Oh, where do we start?